Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, the place where wheels meet wonder. Today, we're diving into the future of travel, luxury, and innovation. The 2025 Amazing Luxury Futuristic Bus. This isn't just a bus, it's a moving masterpiece that blends advanced technology, comfort, and style into a single breathtaking machine. Let's kick things off with the design. From the outside, the 2025 Futuristic Luxury Bus looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Sleek LED lighting that wraps around the frame, panoramic glass panels with electrochromic tinting, and a fluid aerodynamic shape make it stand out on any road. The body is crafted with lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum alloy, not just for style but also to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. It's bold, it's smart, and it's built to turn heads. Step inside, and you're instantly transported into a five-star hotel on wheels. The cabin is silent thanks to advanced noise-canceling insulation and electric drive technology. Plush recliner seats with massage and heating functions welcome every passenger. Each seat has a personal touchscreen display, wireless charging, and customizable lighting settings. You can literally control the atmosphere around you, from light and sound to temperature and even aroma. One of the most futuristic features? The smart glass panoramic roof. With just a tap, it shifts from transparent to opaque, turning the bus into a private cinema, or even a meeting space. Oh, and did I mention the AI concierge? It remembers passenger preferences, suggests entertainment, and even controls in-bus services, like ordering a beverage or adjusting your seat posture. When it comes to tech, this bus is packed. It's equipped with Level 4 autonomous driving, which means it can drive itself in most conditions. Multiple radar sensors, LiDAR systems, and real-time traffic data help the bus maintain optimal speed, brake intelligently, and change lanes safely. It also features a fully digital dashboard and a voice-controlled interface for the driver or operator. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 luxury bus runs on a next-gen electric powertrain that delivers an impressive range of over 800 kilometers on a single charge. With ultra-fast charging capability, you can top it up in under 40 minutes. It's eco-friendly, whisper-quiet, and smooth as butter on the road. And thanks to the adaptive suspension system, passengers barely feel a bump, even on rough terrains. Security? It's got that covered too. Face recognition entry, AI surveillance cameras, emergency auto stop, and real-time tracking make this bus one of the safest vehicles on the road today. And here's something mind-blowing. It has a VIP lounge at the rear. Yes, a private cabin with leather couches, a digital fireplace, smart glass walls, and even a fold-out minibar. Perfect for high-end travelers, corporate groups, or celebrities who want privacy and comfort on the go. The 2025 Luxury Futuristic Bus is not just about getting from point A to B, it's about reimagining the journey itself. Whether you're a travel enthusiast, a tech lover, or just someone who dreams of a smoother ride, this bus checks all the boxes. Luxury, intelligence, comfort, and sustainability, all packed into one phenomenal machine. That's it for today's review on Honest Auto Wheels. If this futuristic beast impressed you, hit that like button, share it with your fellow auto lovers, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews of the world's most amazing wheels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next ride.